Do you ever wish to import data faster, easier, and with no technical setup? SQL proudly introduces Clipboard Excel Import, a fast and simple way to import data with just 4 quick steps. 1. Fill in the Excel template. 2. Copy your data from Excel and paste it directly into SQL Clipboard. 3. Click Validate. 4. Click Import. And here's the best part: if any errors are found during validation, SQL's quick fix will automatically resolve them for you. Whether you're handling master data or transactions, Clipboard Excel Import makes the process smooth, instant, and efficient, so you can focus on growing your business. Import to Sales Invoice. Let's walk through the steps to import data into Sales Invoice. Open the Import Sales Invoice screen. Copy the data from the prepared template. Make sure to include the header row, titles, as well. Click Paste from Clipboard, then click Validate. Check the status column. New indicates a new record will be inserted. Update indicates the master record will be updated, and the detail lines will be appended as new records. Once everything is correct, click Import. Check the import status. If it shows success, the transactions have been successfully imported into SQL account. Prepare the data. Each import form now comes with a ready-to-use template. Just click Get Template and you're ready to prepare your data. The template includes field names with field sizes for easy reference, color-coded highlights to guide you, yellow, required fields, pink, required for e-invoice, optional if you're not using it, orange, LHDN e-invoice information, blue, additional notes. The header row must match the template exactly. Prefix the detail field name with underscore to indicate it belongs to the detail table. Want to import extra fields? No problem, just add a new column, but make sure the field name matches the SQL database field name exactly. You can also remove any unused columns. This helps reduce errors and makes troubleshooting easier during import. Auto-generate .no. SQL also offers a handy feature for you to generate document numbers automatically. Simply use the format new_n, where n represent the sequence of number. If multiple rows share the same sequence number indicates same document, they will be grouped under the same document. For instance, new_1 for first document, new_2 for second document, and so on. During import, the system will automatically follow default document number and continue from last running number. Quick fix. If you run into errors, don't worry, Quick Fix helps you to automatically fix errors such as missing values or invalid master values. When you run Validate, any issues will be marked with an error status. You can manually fix it by direct edit from the grid, or simply select the rows with errors, and use the Quick Fix feature to resolve them instantly. Here's how Quick Fix helps. If a required field is empty, clicking Quick Fix will prompt you to select a default value to apply. If there are invalid master values, Quick Fix can automatically create and import them into the master table. Once applied, you'll see the errors disappear and the status update immediately, saving you the time and hassle of manually fixing it. SQL Helpdesk. SQL introduced a new Helpdesk feature, a document guideline for user reference. To access it, simply open Clipboard Excel Import and click the question mark icon at the top right corner. The system will instantly display a full step-by-step guide for this topic. Boost efficiency, eliminate manual entry, simplify your workflow. Try Clipboard Excel Import today and experience the simple, fast way to import to SQL account.